morning, guys. Well, morning. Good morning to you guys, but morning here. You know what I mean? No good, it's just morning. But to you guys, good morning. Hold on, guys. I'm just going to put all the dry dishes to the cabinet. Anyway, good morning, and I'll see you later, guys. I'm just gonna do a lot of things because I'm here alone, and it's Wednesday. So what I'm doing is doing laundry, vacuum. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Don't go away. I'm done in the living room, guys. So I'm going to the kitchen now. It's time to clean the kitchen. Hold on, I'll carry this table. Put this in here. And we're so pissed with the people who work in the backyard because they don't do the right job. What my husband told them before they start their job, they don't do it right. They're just like we want the yard to be level and a little bit higher in the back, in the end of the back, and now it's like now it looks like that. What is that? The center of the backyard is like a shallow pool. It's just like the water will, stay there, and I don't know. It's just stupid. I'm trying to I put some of the I have some video, guys, me and my husband and the cat, so I put it together, and I won't upload it just for a personal copy. But my iMovie is the whole computer, the Macintosh something whatever, I don't have any idea. I can't even save that. It says start up full, something like that. So even if I create some another album, I can't do it. And even if I go to Safari, they won't let me to still keep running. I think it's too full, makes my computer very slow. So I don't know how to clean up, but I found some other way to. So I just realized that I have a lot of in my trash. I have too many, so maybe that's the reason why. But I have to learn how to clean up my computer. The thing is, I have to start learning how to clean up this. As you realize, I like to wear my clothes twice. Oh, especially if I don't wear it a whole day. Yeah, I do that often. I'm going to have some lunch. I know, I just like, all I have to say is just I have to eat. This is what I eat. This is, look at me, that's why I'm fat. Anyway, guys, yeah, I'm just watching that the price is right. Yeah, I'm just, what? I'm not doing anything. Did you see a bug? You see a bug flying all over the place and you're trying to catch it? Yeah, I'm just having my leftover from yesterday. Me and my husband, we went to, you know, after meeting, oh, here. Hobbs, here, come here! That's a big one. There's a big flies inside the house. The cat is going crazy trying to catch it. Oh my god, Hobbs. Look, if you see the cat. I'm helping him. Oh my god. Where is it? Where is it, Hobbs? Oh, it's over here. It's over here. Oh god. Oh, shit. You see the cat? Oh, Hobbs! Careful! Oh my god. Careful, baby. Oh my god. Where is it, Hobbs? Now, the good thing about my cats, they're like crazy when it comes to like bugs, small little thing that they can find, they won't let it go. They won't go to sleep. They just like try to catch them. It's just funny. I just love it. Yeah, I don't know how come. I don't know why there's a big flies inside the house. It's just ridiculous because all the thing, there's no opener. There's no opener here. But yeah. Did you found it? Did you eat it? You found it! Oh my god! He ate it, guys. Now I have to brush her teeth. His teeth. I do brush her teeth sometimes. I usually do with my my husband's old cat, my first cat that makes me fall in love with the cat. You know, I don't really like cats before, and when I'm with my husband, he has a cat named Boo Boo. And yeah, and that's how I start loving the cat. And this is what I have from yesterday. It's a chicken stir fry with vegetables. You guys, I'm gonna have my lunch and I'll see you later. I'm waiting for later. It's 1 something. I'm gonna go pick up my mother-in-law. I guess I'm going out now. She just called me. It's already very late though. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's 1:51. It's supposedly she usually called me at 1:30, but today is a late day for her. That sucks. So, okay, I'm getting ready. I need a house key and money. It's not really that far from the house. So, when it start really like cold, no hot, nothing, I'll start walking. That's a good time when you're walking. You know, you have a lot of jacket. You know, and you don't get cold, only your face, but it's okay. Then I will start. Let's see what I feel like up to then. But I have to go outside. Hi guys, I'm back to the part 2 of my long distance relationship. I'm going back a little bit from before my husband picked me up to my ex-husband. Okay, my boyfriend picked me up from my ex-husband. Before that happened, my ex-husband always go to Texas to visit his family. So this is getting worse, guys, because before my husband picked me up, he always like some few eggs in the refrigerator. I can't eat what he had in the refrigerator. Yeah, and I'm always like he always told me not to eat the egg inside the refrigerator because he counted, or else I'm just going to eat one. That's what I'm gonna have with my rice. And how many days? Like a week. So you know, sometimes I just eat rice and I fried it with garlic. He had few meat, and he have corn dog. He loved corn dog, and I can't even have it because he loved it. Okay, so that's all I can have. I fried the rice and put a lot of oil in it and salt. Guys, I told my boyfriend, which is my husband now, I called him, and I said, and he asked me what's going on with you, like that, and then we were just having conversation. I told him that I can't eat what my husband had in his you know, refrigerator. That's it. I can't have anything. I can't have anything except rice. And the rice, guys, is here in the United States, the rice, it's, you know, a plastic, no, it's not a plastic, it's a strong cellophane, and we called it one sack, but it's all like how many pounds in it. He just buy for like it's in a container. It's not in a bag, but it's in the container, which is just very small, like 2 meals only, or no, 2 days only, good for 2 days. But I always cook it a little bit that I can, you know, have some in a few days. But I'm thankful that my boyfriend, which is my husband, he surprised me by calling the restaurant close to where we live before, and call the restaurant and deliver food good for 1 week, you know, for the house, that I can have something to eat. When I was already here in New York, my ex-husband kept calling me and asking asking me to go back with him, and he kept, you know, he'll cry, believe me or not, he did cry, you know, through the phone, and I don't know how real is that, but I can hear him crying and begging me to go back with him. But I kept saying no. I answered the phone with, you know, while I have my boyfriend, which is my husband now, that he can hear, you know, the conversation. And yeah, he will keep calling me, and he will tell me, I bought what. Okay, one time he said, oh, I bought a ticket already. You know, I have a ticket. I bought something for a cruise, that we can have something, you know, that we can spend time together. I said, no, thank you, but you know what, I'm not going back. The way you treat me, I'm not going back with you. Yeah, and that's, yeah, I don't believe him anymore. But you know what, I never did go back, and until now I'm here. I'm happy with my husband. In October, the same year, 2008, October, I went back to Florida. For the reason is to sign the divorce paper, because he received the divorce paper, and I need that paper to be signed, that it will be finalized. So when I went there, I'm just crazy enough, you know, I decided to stay in his apartment. I'm stupid. I don't know, I'm just telling you, I'm stupid. I just stay in his apartment, and I sleep in where I used to sleep, in the couch that, you know, he bought that for me, with a couch with a bed in it. So when I was there in Florida, and yeah, one night when I was with him, staying in his apartment, one night I went to the bathroom, because you know, of course, before you go to bed, you have to go to the bathroom. And you know what, guys, when I went to the bathroom, he's there. He's holding his gun, and I told him, I'm just being calm. You know, I'm nervous, but I'm calm. I'm pretending that I'm not nervous. And I asked him, what are you doing? I said, why you have gun in your hand? And I said, no, I'm just cleaning my gun. And I said, oh, okay, and he told me before you never had a gun. He's just being quiet. He doesn't know how to answer it because he told me before he doesn't have a gun. And then I grabbed the gun. And then I told him, okay, I'm gonna hold, just you have to be strong and don't show it to them that you're scared, and they will scare you like crazy, I grabbed the gun, and then I hold it and I sleep with it. I said I will keep it until I leave here, while I'm still here. I will keep it and I will sleep with it. So yeah, in the whole time, the 1 week stay in Florida, I have the gun with me. I mean, I hide it every time I go out. But yeah, that's the scary part, that the gun thing. The funny thing is, before I signed the divorce paper, he just cried to me like, oh, please don't sign the papers. Look at the fish that we have. The other one died because he's not happy with what I'm doing. I said, are you kidding me? And then, I don't have my 2-year green card at that time. And it's Sunday, okay? There's no mail in the United States. You don't receive any mail or whatever. It's a Sunday. And while me and my friends celebrating, no, it's not celebrating. While me and my friends is in the mall, window shopping, he called me and told me, oh, I just received your green card today, blah, 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 blah. And I don't know that there's no mail on Sunday. But my friend's husband, which is a lawyer, and she's with us, with my friend, we're all like, in the mall at the same time. And he told me, there's no mail on Sunday. How come he got a mail today? It's Sunday. And we just all realized that he'd been hiding my green card, and maybe he's debating like if he's going to give it to me, if he will give it to me or not. But he decided, thank goodness he decided, because you know what, if I don't receive a green card, and I will ask the USCIS why I still don't have my green card, and they will question him. So maybe that's why he realized that he need to give it to me, or else he's in trouble. When I'm back in New York, it's the same story. He just keep calling me, and I learned to ignore him, and finally he did learn to just keep quiet and stop bothering me. But you know what, guys, I think 2 years after that, he sent me an email. In my old email, I open it, and he sent me an email. He says, oh, you have to pay me, you have to give me money, and because you owe me money. I said, no, I don't owe you anything. You brought me here, you promised to love me and stay with me, but that's it. And then I deactivated my account, and that's the last time I heard from him. That's it, guys. And then now I'm happily married. I'm 4 years married with my husband now, and we lived for 2 years together, and then after 2 years we get married. So we're all 6 years together. I'm happy, and he's a good person, and there is some issues, but not him. And I have that in my previous blog too. There is some issues, but it's not about him. So thank you guys for watching, and I will just keep continuing. This is just a mix of vlog and the story, part of the story, and I'll see you later, guys.